Ved Enterprise and JK Fertilizer Group of Companies. India's company that manufactures organic fertilizer, that is Asia's largest company and is providing its services since last 15 years. An ISO 9001-2000 certified. JK Fertilizer started in 2006 on rented land with the production capacity of 2,000 bags of 50 kg per day, that too manually. In 2008, they started scaling heights. Capacity raised to 8,000 bags of 50 kg per day. They own the land now. They have their own laboratory for testing products and also have semi-automatic machines. In 2010, the plant upgraded to 100 ton a day with fully granulated automatic machines. Now they have 10,000 bags per day. In year 2012, it raised from 100 to 300 tons capacity, and now they have their own R&D center for desirable products to achieve in production. In 2014, they have achieved class of art infrastructure with R&D facility, storage area for finished goods with high capacity areas for raw material and best quality machine to cater required fertilizer to client at less cost. JK Fertilizer is now having 2 fully functional plants with 100 and 200 ton capacity plants. They are IEC certified. Huge storage capacity, laboratory for R&D, ready for customization as required, no transportation boundaries, finished goods storage of 1005.50 square meter, raw material storage of 1133 square meter, automatic filling and packing machine, overhead crane for smooth working. Export experts. What process they undergo for production are: the organic mixture is powdered and shifted by conveyor to drum. Rotating drum with water sprinkled to start granular formation. Granules are now taken to fitting drum, wherein they pass through 800 degrees Celsius to dry them. In third drum, the heated granules are treated with cool breeze to make moisture free. Now, filtering granules of 3 mm, the lesser and bugger granules are reprocessed and taken back to raw material drum. Final 3 mm granules are taken to weighing machine where 50 kg and 25 kg bags are packed automatically. Granules are taken to storage areas and dispatched. We are manufacturer of a fully functional granule making plant of organic fertilizer. We set up 50 metric ton to 400 metric ton plant. Here are a few specifications we help in for a generic 100 metric ton fully auto plant. Drum size 21 feet by 4.5 feet. Power consumption is equal to 150 HP. Fuel bio-coal plus wood. Spurs requirement 25 into 30 into 10 meter. Operating staff 7 members. 2 mm, 3 mm and 4 mm granules can be prepared very well in this fully auto plant. This is a powerful step to prevent the global warming through converting organic waste in form of waste management. This is step towards helping the farmers to learn the organic farming successfully. Contact us for more details. Thank you.